Do you know that after an abortion, if you carry out pregnancy test within the short few weeks, 2-3 weeks, you still see that the test will show you positive? And you might be wondering why you're still having a positive result, despite the fact that you've undergone abortion or miscarriage. Now, this is a fact about why you'll be seeing your test results showing positive. Now, there's a hormone in the body, which is called human chorionic gonadotropin hormone. This hormone is what reflects on your test strip when you carry out pregnancy tests. So after an abortion, this hormone will still be in the blood. It will take a while before this hormone will be flushed out of your blood. So even if you carry out pregnancy tests after an abortion immediately, that hormone will still be in your blood and it will be showing positive, even if you're not pregnant. So the best way to ascertain if your abortion is successful, or maybe you're not having any particles in your body, or you're not still pregnant, is for you to carry out an ultrasound scan to check if you're pregnant or you're not pregnant still.